I hope you guys are here. The smell, the fragrance of this food is really, really very, very rich. Now I'm going to let you know how this food is being cooked. Actually, in Chinese it's called Romo Chiezi. Romo, it's actually ground pork, and Chiezi, it's eggplant. It's a very basic food, very easy to cook, and very, very tasty. A little bit spicy, but I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Okay, let's start cooking. These are the main ingredients: talong or eggplant, or in Chinese, chiezi, garlic or daswan, spring onions, or in Chinese, is xiaotong, dianfen, or if you don't have cornstarch, you could use wheat starch. Of course, the ground pork, or it's called in Chinese rou mo. And lastly, doubanjiang. It's a paste, like it's a little bit spicy. And I have to cut them in small pieces. Wash it thoroughly and then add enormous amount of salt. And mix it thoroughly with the hand. Okay, after peeling off the garlic skin, I bought this one from one of the platforms in China. It's very, very cheap. I think it's less than 50 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. Let me try if this thing would work. It did work. I think we're almost set. By the way, for the eggplant, you have to remove all the excess water, because we're going to be frying this one quickly. Now, we need to fry the eggplant. We need to add some oil in this one. You have to use a little bit of, you have to be generous on the oil on this one. Let it cook for a while. While waiting for this eggplant to be cooked, we'll be making the sauce for this dish. For the sauce, we need to add some water. Forgot to mention earlier, this is shantu. It's a vinegar, dark vinegar. Then we need to add this is the light soy sauce, or the shangzhou, white sugar or baitang, and add the starch, wheat starch. That's what I'm using now. And mix it up. When the texture of the eggplant goes like this, then it's cooked. So let's move it to another plate. Now we could start cooking the ground pork. Just let it cook here. Normally I would add jijing. Now you could add all the garlic. Once you could smell the fragrance of the garlic, you could now add the doubanjiang. And then later add the eggplant. And finally add the sauce. Finally, add the spring onions. By the way, this is the end product now. Tasted very, very good. I tasted it already. And it's very, very authentic Chinese food. I never tried eating this one in any other Chinese restaurants globally. So I hope you like it and try it. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.